Hey guys, welcome to Mavy Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet baby babe for 10 centimeter doll. Let's crochet together. These are the required materials. You will choose white yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Firstly, let's make a magic ring. Twist the yarn like this. Insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull through the yarn like this. We will get a magic ring. For round 1, make 2 chains. 1 and 2. After that, make 7 double crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through the yarn into the magic ring. Now we got 3 loops on the hook. And then pull through 2 loops like this and pull through again. Now we got 1 double crochet. After making 1 double crochet, please don't forget to mark with a stitch marker. Now let's make another 6 double crochet. We got 7 double crochet into the magic ring. Now let's pull the yarn to close the magic ring. For round 2, make 1 chain and then turn the work and make 7 increase. Increase means 2 double crochet into the same stitch. After round 2, cut the yarn. And then pull through the yarn like this. Punctuation needle with the yarn. After that, catch the yarn. We will cut like this. Now let's do blue yarn. Firstly, make a slip knot. Twist the yarn like this. Insert the hook and pull through the yarn like this. You will cut a slip knot. And then let's make 30 chains. Now we got 30 chains. After that, remove the hook and then bring back the first part. After that, insert the hook into the last stitch. Now, let's insert the hook into the chain of the blue yarn and then pull through the yarn like this. After that, make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3 and then turn the work. After that, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. After making 1 single crochet, let's make 3 chains and then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Now let's repeat this pattern of 3 chains and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. For the last single crochet, remove the stitch marker and then make 1 single crochet as the last stitch. We will get like this. Now let's make 30 chains. After that, cut the yarn and then pull through the yarn. Here is my 10 cm tall and let's wear pip. It's so cute. We can add a bow to look cuter. Let's make a bow by using yellow yarn. Firstly, make a magic ring. Twist the yarn like this Start the hook and pull through the yarn like this, and pull the yarn again. We will get a magic ring. After that, make 2 chains and then make 3 double crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Now we got 3 double crochet and then let's make 2 chains. 1 and 2. After that, make 1 slip stitch into the magic ring. We will get like this. After that, make 2 chains and then make 3 double crochet and make 2 chains. After that, make 1 slip stitch into the magic ring. Now we got like this. Pull the yarn to close the magic ring. After that, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. And then pull through the yarn. Now, wrap the yarn around the middle, like this. Now, let's tie the 2 ends of the yarn. Let's attach the bow by using yarn needle. Please sew the bow onto the baby bib. After that, tie the 2 ends of the yarn like this. Now, let's weave the end. Let's check with the door. got baby Pip with a bow for 10 cm doll. This is the end of my tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you next time.